Ready, start. As per appellant, the claims of the subject patent application address the technical problem identified by providing a technical solution to resolve conflicts between multiple wireless servers, ensuring proper operation of the device. Full stop. The said technical solution involves evaluating and prioritizing policies from a primary and at least one secondary server. Full stop. The appellant counsel has referred to paragraphs of the complete specification to give some illustrative examples of the actual implementation of the subject patent application. Full stop. According to appellant, full stop, counsel, the subject patent in effect relates to how priorities is to be given to a particular server and how to resolve conflicts between instructions in two different servers. Full stop. According to the appellant, this process determines if the secondary server's configuration data can override the configuration of the primary server when unresolvable conflicts are identified, thereby ensuring that one server's configuration tasks precedence. Full stop. This resolution enables the mobile wireless client to function in the desired mode, ensuring that the device operates efficiently and effectively under the configuration dictated by the prioritized server. Full stop. Para. Further, in the synopsis of the appeal, the appellant contends that the controller has not substantiated the objection in respect of non-patentability under section 3K of the Act and merely given a conclusion by referring to certain paragraph numbers of the complete specification containing certain specific words without considering the context in which those words or terminology is used. Full stop. According to the appellant, such selective reliance on certain words or terminology used in the complete specification devoid of any assessment of the merits or substance of the invention cannot constitute a reasoned order. Full stop. The appellant also argues that the controller has been unable to justify how the subject patent application as a whole can be held to be a computer program and attract the objection under section 3K of the Act. Full stop. Therefore, the appellant requests that the impugned order refusing the grant of the patent be set aside on the ground that impugned order is unreasoned and a non-speaking order. Full stop. Reliance is placed on the judgment of the coordinate bench of this court to support this prayer. Full stop. Contesting the objection under section 3K of the Act on merits, the appellant contends that subject patent provides mobile wireless clients the ability to first identify unresolvable conflicts between multiple servers as also resolve the identified conflicts in favor of one wireless server to ensure the operation. Full stop. Para. According to the appellant, this capability demonstrates a technical effect and practical application, thereby not liable to attract the objection under section 3K of the Act. Full stop. The appellant counsel has made specific reference to the brief note of submissions to highlight the technical solution and the technical effect in the applied invention. Full stop. The same reads as under. The invention encompasses identifying that conflicting configuration may arise when configuring the wireless client device from two sources and provides a solution to the potential unrealized problem to resolve conflicting configuration data. Full stop. Claims disclose detecting the presence of the primary configuration data can be used to configure the client by evaluating policies associated with each of the primary and secondary configuration data to identify conflicts between the policies and resolving identified conflicts in favor of the primary configuration data. Full stop. Thus, the present invention provides the ability to identify unresolvable conflicts between multiple servers and b resolve identified conflicts in favor of one wireless server over others so as to ensure operation of the client in the desired mode in any conflicting scenario. Full stop. Facilitating configuration of permissible operation in a wireless mobile client device when dealing with conflicting configuration received from multiple servers. Full stop. Para. The appellant also challenges the finding of the controller that the wireless servers are merely a set of instructions, the group of software that may be installed on machine, and argues that the said finding is misleading. Full stop. According to the appellant, the complete specification clarifies that wireless servers can be realized in various configurations including hardware and does not reduce the technical system using the software to merely an algorithm or computer program per se. Full stop. It is argued that even if the server is considering as software, it contributes to the technical character of the invention, which is not solely seeking protection for software or algorithms. Full stop. The appellant emphasizes that the presence of a computer program would not take away the technical effect produced by the present invention as a whole. Full stop. Reliance is placed on the judgment of this court in support of this contention. Full stop. The appellant also contends that section 3K of the act prohibits the patentability of only those inventions which are abstract in nature. Full stop. Given that the subject patent includes hardware features and practical implementations, it cannot be considered abstract or be categorized as a computer program per se. Full stop. In respect of the contention of the respondent that subject patent is nothing but an algorithm based invention, the appellant counsel has relied upon the decision dated 15th July 1986 of the Board of Appeal Council for the appellant. The said decision clarifies the distinction between what constitutes a technical process and what is a mere mathematical process algorithm. Full stop. Overall.